How to save audio messages on iPhone. To save the audio messages on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. Once you're in, you need to choose the conversation that contains the audio message. Open up the conversation. Then, you need to tap and hold the audio message until a drop-down menu appears on your screen. Then, you need to tap the Save to Voice Memos option from here. Once you're done, the audio message will be saved successfully in your voice memo. Now, minimize the application. Then, find Voice Memos on your home screen. Once you find it, tap it. You will see a list of audio recordings here. Tap on the recent one that you downloaded to listen. There you go, you now know how to save audio messages on your iPhone. By following these simple steps, you can easily save audio messages on your iPhone.